Hey, gorgeous goal-getters! Welcome to 2025. Can you believe it? We made it! Each new year brings this electric energy, doesn't it? This feeling that anything is possible. And this year, I want you to bottle that feeling and keep it flowing all year long. Because guess what? You are powerful beyond measure and totally capable of achieving incredible things. But let's be honest, sometimes setting goals feels easy, but actually that's where the real magic happens. And sometimes it requires a little more oomph, right? Well, that's why I'm so excited to share this video with you. We're diving deep into a proven step-by-step process to not only set powerful, meaningful goals, but to actually make them a reality. Get ready to unleash your inner rock star. Let's do this! Before we jump into the sparkly newness that is 2025, let's take a beat to give ourselves some love for all the incredible things we accomplished in the last year. Grab your journal, you know I love a good journaling session, and jot down your wins, big and small. What brought you joy? What challenges did you overcome? Now, I know it's tempting to want to skip this part and race towards the future, but trust me, this step is crucial. It's all about understanding what lights you up, what drains you, and what you learned along the way. Because let's be real, not everything goes according to plan, and that's okay. It's those twists and turns that make the journey so interesting. This reflection time is all about honoring your journey, celebrating your resilience, and using those experiences as stepping stones for even greater things to come. You've got this. Okay, my friend, now it's time to unleash your inner visionary. Close your eyes for a second and imagine yourself this time next year. What does your dream 2025 look and feel like? Don't hold back. Think about all the areas of your life that matter most. Your health, your relationships, that passion project you've been dreaming about, everything. Write it all down in detail. Get super specific. What are you doing? Who are you with? How do you feel? Remember, this is your vision, your masterpiece in the making. The more clarity and detail you can bring to it, the more powerful it will become. Think of it as your personal North Star, guiding you towards your most incredible life. Now that you've got this beautiful vision for your life, let's turn those dreams into actionable goals. And not just any goals, my friend, we're talking SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So instead of saying, I want to be healthier, a SMART goal would be, I'm going to rock 3 workouts a week and eat at least 1 green veggie at every meal. See the difference? When you get specific and break down your goals into bite-sized, manageable steps, it's like giving yourself a roadmap to success. Plus, it makes it so much easier to stay motivated and track your progress. Okay, I know sometimes when we think about our big, beautiful goals, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, right? But here's the secret sauce. Break it down. Think of it like baking a cake. You wouldn't try to shove all the ingredients in the oven at once, right? Instead, you follow the recipe step by step. It's the same with your goals. Let's say you want to write a book. Go you. A great first step could be creating an outline. Then maybe commit to writing 500 words a day. Remember, progress over perfection always. Celebrate those small wins along the way because they add up to big, beautiful results. Have you ever heard the saying, what gets measured gets managed? It's so true. When we track our progress, it not only keeps us accountable, but it also helps us to see how far we've come. And that, my friend, is a beautiful thing. Find a system that works for you. Whether it's a good old-fashioned planner, a vision board, or a fancy app, I'm a sucker for a good app. The key is to find something that helps you stay organized, motivated, and on track. And don't forget to celebrate those milestones along the way. You deserve it. Okay, real talk for a second. Life happens. Sometimes things come up, plans change, and that is 100% okay. Remember, you are not a robot. Unless you are, in which case, hello there, robot friend. The point is, don't be afraid to adjust your sails, tweak your goals, or change course completely. The most important thing is to stay flexible, adaptable, and kind to yourself throughout the process. Remember, growth is not always linear. It's messy, it's beautiful, and it's uniquely yours. Embrace the journey. We made it to the fun part, my friend. It's time to celebrate all your wins, big and small. Did you crush a workout? Amazing. Did you finally clean out that junk drawer? You're a rock star. Seriously, never underestimate the power of acknowledging your accomplishments. It reinforces positive behavior, boosts your confidence, and keeps that motivation soaring high. So go ahead, treat yourself to something special, do a little dance, or simply take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. You deserve it. You've got this, my friend. Remember, 2025 is your year to shine. By taking the time to reflect, plan, and take action, you are setting yourself up for an extraordinary year. And remember, no matter what challenges come your way, stay flexible, stay true to yourself, and never, ever give up on your dreams. Now get out there and make it happen. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.